what's going on here. Hey guys, I'm at Arizona Custom Knives headquarters, and they're letting me film some of their unique knives. So you can actually buy one of these knives. This is a prototype. This thing is amazing. I'll put the links in the description for all of the knives. So there is a button and it's a double knife. Let's open. Wow, this looks like a Wolverine. There is the name of it, RW Deer Wolf prototype. It looks like this is Damascus. And how do we close this? It's a liner lock. Ooh, you want to do one at a time carefully and open this one carefully. You see it's kind of opens on you, and lock it. It doesn't close all the way, so you gotta be careful carrying it. And there's a button right here. You just press on it and it flies out, one at a time or two at the same time. Let's close it again. 1, 2. What happens if I press it slowly? 1, and harder. 2. Wow, this is awesome. Double knife. I never seen or hold it before. Double knife.